Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said on Saturday that if the United States' goal is to deprive the Iran of its nuclear right, Tehran will never back down over those rights. Also, Araghchi was speaking in Doha a day ahead of another round of the planned nuclear deals between the Iran and the United States in Oman. If the goal of the negotiation is to deprive Iran of its nuclear rights, I state clearly that Iran will not back down from any of its rights, said the state media that Araghchi also responded to. Also, Iran has repeatedly said that its right to enrich the uranium is non-negotiable and has also ruled out a zero enrichment demand by some of the US officials. But the US President Donald Trump's special envoy, that is Steve Witkoff, said in an interview on the Friday that Iran's enrichment facilities have to be dismantled under any accord from the United States. Trump, who withdrew the Washington from the 2015 deal between the Tehran and the world powers meant to curb its nuclear activity, has threatened to bomb Iran if no new deal is reached to resolve the long unresolved dispute. Also, Western countries say that Iran's nuclear program, which Tehran accelerated after the US walkout from the now moribund 2015 accord, is geared towards producing weapons, whereas Iran insists that it is purely for the civilian purposes. Also, in its indirect talk with the United States, Iran emphasizes its right to peaceful use of the nuclear energy and clearly declares that it is not seeking any nuclear weapons. Also, the Araghchi said that Iran continues negotiation in good faith, and if the goal of these talks is to ensure that the non-acquisition of the nuclear weapons, an agreement is possible. However, if the aim is to limit the Iran's nuclear rights, then Iran will never retreat from it.